Mystery baby fish. Now, mystery baby fish looks just like our barb. That's the goldfish. Red tail. And this is Fiona, who's aggressive. Doesn't like her picture. Yep. And will you stop following me? Is it? There they are, our little guys. And now there goes Jasmine, the beta. And Uni. Another goldfish. Everyone wants the picture taken. Now, this is our Molly, whose tail is kind of crooked for some reason. Don't worry. Red tail. Inside there is catfish.
Where?
Bella's a catfish.
Where?
But again,
I think, but why is the Nemo?
Nemo.